Hi, welcome to my website. My name is Carla Moore, and you landed here because you are ready to discover a simple way to create cash flow online without necessarily getting an extra job, right? Well, I'm looking to help you break those chains of generational poverty in 2019 with the power of the internet, your Wi-Fi connection, smart devices, and your preferred social media platform. My mission is to assemble like-minded entrepreneurs as yourself and provide you with the lifestyle, the personal development, and the skill sets necessary to live a life of fulfillment. My vision is to empower you with the trust, the faith, and the skill sets to become successful as a home-based business owner. My vision is to create and build the next generation of six-figure earners through the industry of affiliate marketing and home-based business, okay? What I want you to do right now is click that button underneath this video so that you can discover the easiest way on the planet to build a huge monthly income with no previous experience, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.